ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ವಂದನಾ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ.
ವರೆಗೂ 75ನೆಯ ಗಣರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಈ ಶುಭ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಧ್ವಜಾರೋಹಣ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಹಿರಿಯ ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳಾದ ಪಂಡಿತ್ ಸಾಹೇಬರಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಈಗ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ 4 ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಎಂದು ನಾನು ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಹಿರಿಯ ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋರಿಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ.
ಶುಭ ಮುಂಜಾನೆ. Good morning to everyone. My dear brother judges, Additional Advocate Generals, Assistant Solicitor General, Additional Registrar General, Additional Registrar Judicial, Special Purpose Prosecutor, Additional State Public Prosecutors, Principal Government Advocate, Additional Government Advocates, High Court Government Pleaders, Members of Bar Council, President of High Court Advocates Association and Office Bearers, learned senior counsels, advocates, deputy registrars, assistant registrars, staff members of this office, officers of PWD and its staff members, police officials, doctor and nurses, press and media, friends, my dear children, family members of family members gathered here, ladies and gentlemen. Today, on this joyous occasion of the 75th Republic Day, I extend my heartiest greetings and best wishes to everyone present here. I had the privilege of hoisting the national flag on 75th Republic Day in the year 2022, and I am privileged to unfurl the Republic Day's 75th Republic Day today. India became independent on 15th August 1947. As on the date of independence, India or Bharat was governed by Government of India Act 1934. On attaining independence, the nation had to adopt a political system and rule of law that would govern the citizens of the country, which would suit the expectations and hopes of every citizen of this vast nation. As all of us are aware, India is one of the biggest democratic countries. The nation will always remain grateful to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who headed the drafting committee of the Constitution and for being instrumental in framing of the Constitution. As the chairman of the drafting committee, he played a key role in shaping our Constitution. The Constituent Assembly, after deliberations, adopted the Constitution on 26 November 1949, and the Constitution was given effect to from 26 January 1950. The day on which Constitution came into effect is celebrated as the Republic Day. With the Constitution, the Supreme Court came into existence. A great responsibility lay on the courts as it was expected to protect and enforce the rights of the citizens. The first Chief Justice of India, H.J. Kania, during the inauguration of the Supreme Court, stated that, quote, in endowing the Supreme Court of India with very wide powers, the Constituent Assembly, the assembly representing the voice of the people, though their elected representatives has shown complete confidence in the court as the final body for dispensing justice, we hope to deserve that confidence. We trust that the people of India will also maintain the independence, honor and dignity of the Supreme Court, unquote. India, being the largest democracy, takes pride in safeguarding the interests of the citizens through its judicial system. It is our commitment to safeguard the justice, equity and rule of law. At this juncture, I would like to quote Plato, who said, quote, justice is not mere strength, but it is a harmonious strength. Justice is not the right of the stronger, but the effective harmony of the whole. All moral conceptions revolve about the good of the whole individual as well as social. As early as the 12th century and much earlier to the Magna Carta, the Indian philosopher Basavana envisioned a public parliament in the form of Anubhava Mantapa, regarded as the genesis of parliamentary democracy in the Indian history. It stands as a unique institution in lawmaking and was democratic in its outlook. Drawing inspiration from the ideologies of the Anubhava Mantapa, our constitution also mandates that the judiciary has the obligation to shoulder the primary responsibility of eliminating inequalities in status, facilities and opportunities, not only amongst a group of people residing in different areas, engaged in different vocations. The object and purpose of the Constitution would be fulfilled with the realization of social justice and working towards it sincerely. The judiciary serves as the guardian of the Constitution, ensuring that the principles and values enshrined within it are upheld. The judiciary plays a crucial role in protecting individual rights and liberties. It acts as a shield against any infringement on the fundamental rights of citizens, promoting equality, justice, and the rule of law. It is also the function of the judiciary to interpret laws and ensure their conformity with Constitution. The advent of technology into judiciary has brought a major changeover in the working of the system. The joy of contributing towards meaningful change in the society can be attributed to the entry of technology. Today, the new normal is the usage of technology in judiciary. The transition towards digitalization is progressing at a swift pace, especially after the pandemic. Judiciary has made significant benefits by the e-initiatives introduced, which intends to make justice accessible and available for all. The Chief Justice of India, Honorable Dr. D.Y. Chandrachud, in his recent visit to the High Court of Karnataka Principal Bench, appreciated and lauded the initiatives of Karnataka High Court. Today, we have e-filing, e-certified copies, e-payment of court fee and process fee, tracking of service of notice through registered post, use of N-step for service of notice in the trial courts with geo-tagging and service by electronic summons. Shortly, we are also going to have service of summons by email, and all this will ultimately result in paperless courts. The use of technology is to speed up the proceedings, bring about administrative efficiency for lawyers, court staff, and the judges. Lawyers can sit at their office and file any proceedings before a court throughout the day, not being limited by the court working hours. Memos could be moved electronically by e-filing e-memos. Court fee and process fee can be paid sitting at office or home. If a copy of an order or certified copy is required, the lawyers can apply for it sitting at the office or from their homes. If you encounter any problems during the usage of technology relating to court, please communicate it to the Additional Registrar General so that such problems can be addressed and we can build a system as close to perfect as possible. Though legal technology has come to stay, the main challenge lies in implementing the practices thoughtfully and ethically with considerations for data privacy and cyber security. The citizens of the country eagerly look towards the judiciary with hope, high expectation, and positivity. It continues to be the last resort for all the citizens seeking justice. It shall be our motto that every citizen shall have easy access to the justice, which shall be qualitative and expeditious justice. It is the responsibility of the advocates, fraternity, and the judges to take forward the confidence that is reposed by the public in the judiciary. We should not give scope to erode faith of common man in judiciary. Preamble to our Constitution ensures justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among citizens all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. To achieve the objective of Preamble, fraternity plays pivotal role. Fraternity refers to spirit of brotherhood among the people and citizens of India. India or Bharat is a land of immense diversity. In a country like ours, unity and integrity could be preserved only by spirit of brotherhood. Our endeavor shall be to achieve the fraternity, that is unity and solidarity among people of India. Then justice, liberty, and equality would follow. The next would be what is the role or contribution of individual in nation building. At Part 4, capital A of the Constitution, fundamental duties are enumerated. It shall be the duty of every citizen of India to abide by the Constitution and respect its ideas and ideals and institutions, the national flag and the national anthem. One of the other fundamental duties enshrined therein is to value and preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture. If we, the citizens of India, preserve the rich heritage of our culture and respect and abide by the Constitution, that itself is a great contribution to the nation building. I hope and trust that everyone gathered here would pledge to abide by the Constitution and promise to preserve the rich heritage of our country. With this, I once again wish you a happy Republic Day. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka. Thank you, everyone.
ಗಣರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವದ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂದೇಶವನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದಂಥ ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಹಿರಿಯ ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಈಗ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ವಿನಿಮಯ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭ. ನಮ್ಮ ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ನ ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾರ್ ಜುಡಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಆದಂಥ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ ಹುಲಿಗೆ ಅವರು ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳನ್ನು ಶಾಮಿಯಾನದ ಬಳಿ ಕರೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ.